Alrighty, now we've got the Hustle, Blizzard Hustle. There it is, right there. Hustle comes back unchanged, still orange. You know, I think that with the redesign of the Rustler, the Hustle doesn't quite make as much sense because the Rustler is now doing pretty much everything the Hustle does, only better. The Hustle remains lighter, and you know, I guess you could call it a heavy-ish touring ski if you want to use it for that. But if you're going to put your alpine bindings on it and use it as a, you know, light and playful inbound ski, you might just want to go move to the Rustler, because the new Rustler really just sort of covers the niche of the Hustle and probably covers it better. This is a carbon ski, still feels carbon-y, and that would be one of my main complaints. You know, it's a little bit damp, a little bit twitchy at the same time, you know, kind of squirrely underfoot, and that makes for maybe not the most invigorating of feelings when you're skiing it. But you know, again, I think the story here is this is either going to need to evolve, you know, with a pretty significant redesign, or I expect that Blizzard's just going to discontinue it because the Rustler's got this covered now, and it's a better ski. So those of you who are Hustle curious, check out the Rustler. That's probably what you want to be riding instead. If you are thinking, no, I want a side country touring ski, then I got to tell you, the Zero G is Blizzard's, you know, standout tourer. It's quite a bit lighter, and I would go in that direction. So, you know, Hustle looking a little bit like a man without a country right now. We'll see how that story evolves. Okay, back to Mammoth here at the WWSRA on Snow Demo 2023. Mammoth Mountain, California.